This is BIS in action, connecting with individuals and various strata of society for creating a vibrant quality ecosystem in the country. BIS, the National Standards Body of India, plays an important role in establishing quality standards addressing the needs of all stakeholders. It also propagates adoption and implementation of these standards. So let's dive deeper and explore the world of standards promotion activities which BIS has created for the potential beneficiaries of the standards. Strategies for standard promotion are customized according to the intended stakeholder. Let's look at what these strategies are and how they are put into action for sensitization, capacity building, and generating quality consciousness in society at large. Standardization cells in central government ministries and industry associations. The standardization cells facilitate communication between the government, industries, and the BIS for providing timely inputs on existing and new standards to meet current needs and reflecting the technological advancements. State-level Committee on Standardization. State-level committees on standardization have been established in each state and union territories for promoting the use of Indian standards and creating robust quality ecosystem. These committees are chaired by the chief secretaries and advise on matters related to identification of areas for new standards, enforcing compliance to standards, implementing quality control orders, and suggest means for creating awareness among consumers. State and district level officials sensitization. Sensitization programs are also held for officers of state government and departments at district level for proper and adequate referencing of quality standards while implementing government programs and schemes. These workshops aim to promote Indian standards and facilitate the procurement of goods and services conforming to standards. So far, over 20,000 officers from around 500 districts across the country have already been sensitized. Engagement with industries. Experience is the best teacher. With this in mind, BIS conducts exposure visits even for industry personnel to raise awareness about the importance and benefits of standards, how they are developed and implemented. BIS also conducts capsule courses tailor-made to the need of industry personnel responsible for testing products in accordance with Indian standards. These courses aim to enhance their capacity and competence, enabling them to deliver superior quality products. Manak Manthan is another strategy adopted for seeking inputs and facilitation implementation of standards. In this, the latest and forthcoming standards are discussed with industry and other stakeholders to take care of the anticipated challenges in implementation. Quality March. In addition to focused interaction with identified stakeholders, BIS also connects with common consumers to raise awareness among the masses. Nationwide quality awareness campaigns are conducted through Quality March and walkathons organized to generate awareness among consumers. Quality Connect. Quality Connect is another program aimed at creating awareness among the masses about the benefits of adhering to Indian standards. Quality Connect campaigns are generally undertaken on special occasions like World Standards Day, BIS Foundation Day, and World Consumer Rights Day. Youth volunteers called Manak Mitra reach out to households, engage in one-to-one conversations to explain how BIS fulfills their expectations of quality and safety of goods they use in day-to-day life. During the Quality Connect campaign, the volunteers use the BIS Quality Connect app to interact with residents. Also gather feedback on their experiences with products that conform to Indian standards. Since its launch, the Quality Connect initiative has been a resounding success. During the 3 campaigns held within a span of 6 months, over 34,000 youth volunteers connected with over 1 million households. Engagement with consumer organizations. Another strategy to promote quality among consumers is through involvement of consumer organizations and other similar bodies like NGOs and RWAs who have established infrastructure for mass connect. They are also associated as members of policy-level committees for safeguarding consumer interest. The members of consumer organizations are also trained on activities of BIS and leveraging them for empowering the consumers for making informed decisions and methodology for expressing grievances, if any. Consumer organizations are also trained to conduct awareness programs for consumers on benefits of standards, certified products, hallmarking of gold jewelry, and also grievance redressal mechanism of BIS. BIS Care App, the Quality Wallet. BIS Care App empowers users to access all information related to standards and quality. These include accessing standards, details of certified manufacturers, and recognized laboratories. The app also empowers consumers to check authenticity of BIS certified products and hallmarked jewelry, and also filing of complaints. These were the glimpses of some of the standards promotion activities, and the Connect continues for reaching out to more and more stakeholders.